Do what? Yeah, I think they're getting ready to let them off down there. You can see the smoke around all the lights down there now. But that's how it was last year. Right before the lights went out, they had all the smoke going up around it.
Well, they better hurry, because I don't want to miss all this shit with her. She's going to cry if I have to leave her. She probably never
Yeah, I haven't even tested my HD camera on here yet. I don't know.
We're missing some of them, Shane. Get some.
I know, those are.
man.
What's cool is I could actually get about all three going on at once, all in one shot.
Right.
If I had a longer phone, I could probably get all of them all together. Get a panoramic shot of all the freaking fireworks going on at once.
Watch. Keep watching. Somewhere. Wow. There's another one. Keep watching. Isn't that cool?
I want to